Desa Sri Hartamas branch. Been a while since I came here, Mama Kim. Come here for their sauna meal. Ever since my ex-colleague introduced me to sauna meal, I have not come here. Oh, last time they used to order this to share fruit tea. It's quite good. So, what did I order? Yeah, I ordered this taro sago and also the salami. Yeah, salami. So this is served in a hot stone. Either vegetarian or fish. I took the fish one. Try not to take tom yum or kimchi. Okay, thank you. What is this?
Coconut biscuit.
Oh, okay. For free, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. If it's not free, take back. Coconut biscuit for free. Okay, let's try. Free coconut biscuit. Okay, let's try for this while waiting for my sauna meal. This is my taro sago. Was expecting it to come after dinner, but well, it's served now, so eat now lah. While waiting for my main course, the sauna meal. Okay, this is good. Chill. It's not ice. There's no ice inside. Chill. So chill. So it's just can see the sago here. Thank you. My sauna meal with the side dishes. I ordered enoki mushroom and what's this? Forgot. Fish, I think. Yeah. Smells good. There's the soup. And I cook first. So this is butterfish. We're supposed to cook together. Preoccupied with the phone until I forgot to cook my dinner. Okay, this is a enoki mushroom, squeeze some.